Hi everyone, I hope you are having a great day today and welcome back to my new video. On this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to upgrade your iPhone to iOS 18 without iTunes without losing data. iOS 18 has been released for a while now. This comprehensive guide will tell you how to get iOS 18 on iPhone. Many people ask that when can we download and upgrade iOS 18 safely without iTunes? If you are unable to upgrade your iOS system through the normal procedure, you can choose iOS Upgrade to smoothly update your system without data loss. You can use iPhone Fixpo. Fixpo is best free iOS system repair and recovery software. With this, you can downgrade iOS 18 beta to 17 or upgrade to iOS 18 with no jailbreak. Not only that, Fixpo iOS System Repair Tool is your solution for fixing 150 and more iDevice problems without losing data. With a few clicks, you can get your device back to normal and enjoy a smoother experience when you upgrade or downgrade your device. On this case, only one click to downgrade from iOS 18 Beta to iOS 17 or upgrade to iOS 18 Beta, both without iTunes or Finder. Download and install iPhone Fixpo on your computer. Then launch iPhone Fixpo. On this interface, you can choose any tools you want to need. Fixpo is an all-in-one tool. In one application, you can use many tools available in Fixpo to solve problems on your iDevice. In this case, we will use the iOS 18 feature upgrade without iTunes, because this method is very easy and safe to upgrade iOS on your device. Select Upgrade iOS. Choose this option to upgrade the iOS system while retaining the device's data. If you see instruction like this, it means you must connect your device to the computer. Connect your device to the computer using a USB cable and follow the on-screen instructions. Then download the firmware. The program will detect your device and display the available firmware package version for an upgrade. You can customize the download path for the firmware package file. Click Download to begin downloading the firmware package. Make sure you have good connection to download the firmware. After that, Fixpo will start extracting the downloaded firmware and use it to begin the upgrade process. Start upgrading iOS. Your device is now fully prepared for the iOS upgrade. Click Start Upgrade iOS to initiate the process of upgrading your device. Finally, you will see a Done message that shows the process is completed. After that, go back to your iPhone. Your iPhone will automatically restart and upgrade to iOS 18. Please wait, this process takes a few minutes. And now, your iPhone has been successfully upgraded to iOS 18. This process don't need iTunes and the data is safe when upgrade to iOS 18. As you can see, my device is on iOS 18 right now. And I get a new features of iOS 18 fully without limitation. iOS 18 adds multiple new ways for users to customize their iPhone's home screen. You can now place app icons and widgets anywhere on your home screen grid and new control center features. So upgrade your device right now with iPhone Fixpo. Also, Fixpo helps to upgrade to iOS and iPadOS 18 Beta, even if you don't have a developer account or iTunes, no data loss risk. I very recommend you to use iPhone Fixpo. Easy to use, even beginner can use this tool. And compatible with all iPhone, iPad, and Apple TV models running any system version. Support for Mac and Windows users. You can check the link download iPhone Fixpo on description. Okay, thanks for watching this video. If you need help to fix this issue, you can leave comment below, and I will help and guide you. Don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more video. See you on the next time.